In this lecture, I will show you how to install Apache Maven, a very popular software management tool. Eclipse IDE provides build support for Maven. However, it is still recommended to install Maven separately on the operating system, so you can use Maven in command line when necessary. So head over to the homepage of Maven at this URL, maven.apache.org. Here, this is the official homepage of Apache Maven project, and click download here. And for Windows operating system, download the binary zip archive here. So click this link to download the latest version of Apache Maven, which is the version 3.6.3 as of January 2021. Okay, the download complete. Then click show in folder and move the downloaded zip archive file onto another directory. Java paste here and extract the zip file here, and we got the directory that contains the binary distribution of Apache Maven. And then we need to configure the system environment variable path to include the bin directory of Apache Maven here, so you can use the Maven command anywhere in the command line. So open system environment variables here, environment variables under system variable here, edit the path environment variable, and create a new entry here, paste the bin directory of the Apache Maven directory here, copy and paste here. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and open the new command prompt window, and in the command line type command mvn, and you can see the message build failure. That means Apache Maven has been installed properly on the Windows operating system. And in the next section, I will show you how to use the Maven command to build our project.